All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're going to talk about easy mode to make more money on flat rate. Now, before the comments start coming up, no, I do not mean writing up every flush in the book, whether the car needs it or not. No, I do not recommend writing stuff up just because. I'm talking about you need to actually look at the car you're working on. Thorough inspections. And they don't have to be like super intensive inspections. Complaining about the 5 million point check on a car with 5,000 miles, valid. The thing about it is with those checks on a car with some miles on it, you can easily make money fixing cars. And what I mean by that is, oh, I looked at the brakes. It needs brakes. That's a generally easy sell. But you'd be surprised. I've unfortunately had to work behind many other technicians that missed simple things like cars needing brakes. I've missed brakes. I have. I can't deny that. When you look at the outer pad and it's 5 mil, you assume the inner pad's going to be 5 mil. No, it was almost to the wear bar, and on the test drive, it started scraping. I know when you're looking at an inspection sheet, it's really easy to say, this car doesn't need anything, swipe the whole boxes and, move on. But the thing is the more you look at the car, the more stuff you will find that is needed. And that's the thing is, don't ever rip customers off. Don't ever. There's no reason in this day and age that a technician should be ripping customers off. There's plenty of work out there. You pull the car in, you can see a hose is wet. You can put a UV light on it and see it's leaking. Easy upsell. Summer's, still here. Upsell AC hose. You've got a coolant leak that's starting. Write it up. Doing simple things like that, just writing that stuff up will increase your flat rate sales. As long as the service writer is addressing all the customer's concerns, some of that stuff will sell. It's a percentage just like anything else. If you don't write it up, you get zero. If you write it up, you might get a legitimate repair or maintenance item. I'll give a great example. Let's use an example of a difficult to check air filter. How many of those, don't get checked because they're a pain in the butt to check? Yeah, that's fine. Going back to looking at the vehicle, it's simple, easy, doesn't take much time. Even when you're having to do DVI inspections. I know shops sometimes don't pay for those, but it adds up. Whatever the work is, it takes a while to get there, but even 0.2s add up. So keep that in mind when it comes to looking at cars. Don't just glance and ship it. Look at it and you will find legitimate work 90% of the time. The other 10% either well taken care of or very low miles. So hope this video was helpful. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.